Today we're going to show you how to install Steeda's adjustable Focus RS rear sway bar. The tools needed for this job is a 6mm hex key, a T40 Torx, a 13mm socket, and an 18mm socket ratchet. To start the installation, you'll need to remove the metal bushing cover, as well as the two subframe support braces blocking the factory sway bar. Once removed, use the 18mm socket to remove the lower nut of the end link using the 6mm key to prevent the end link from spinning. You'll need to do this on both sides. It may be easier to use the 6mm hex bit socket than an Allen key. At this point, you can remove the upper nuts and take out the end links, but it might be easier to remove the sway bar for additional space to work with. To remove the sway bar, use the 13mm socket to remove the bushing and bracket from both sides. Finish removing the end links if you have not already done so. When installing the Steeda end links, make sure the washer is on the inside of the bolt hole as shown. With the end links in place, use the 18mm socket to secure the upper nuts. Before installing the sway bar, generously lubricate the bushings with the provided grease as shown. Install the bushings onto the sway bar and place the sway bar brackets on top of the bushings to mount the sway bar. Slide the bottom spacer plate of the sway bar bracket under the bushings as shown and use the 13mm socket to torque the bolts to 42 foot-pounds. With the sway bar in place, you can now finish installing the end links with the option to choose between hard, medium, and soft, so you can tune your RS's suspension as needed. The last step is to replace the heat shield over the bushings and reinstall the two subframe braces using the factory hardware. Now you're ready to ride. Thanks for choosing Steeda Autosports, where speed matters.